In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Surveymonkey survey, which is a fantastic way to make your surveys more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're looking to have respondents select from pictures, integrate visuals into your questions, or even enable them to upload their own images, you'll find a method that suits your needs. Let's first explore using image choice questions, which is a great option when you want survey participants to make selections based on pictures, like choosing between different logos or product images. Here's how you do it. Start by navigating to the Design Survey tab, which is your central hub for adding and customizing your survey questions. Once there, click on the Add Question button to get started. From the list of question types, you'll need to select Image Choice. This option is specifically tailored for scenarios where images are a central part of the question. After selecting Image Choice, key in your question text. This is where you'll articulate what you're asking your respondents to do with the images. For example, you might say, "Please select your preferred logo from the options below." Next, it's time to upload your images. This can be done by either uploading JPG, PNG, or GIF files directly from your computer. Keep in mind, these should be under 2 MB each, or by entering image URLs if your pictures are hosted online. You can use up to 10 images for each question, allowing for a broad range of choices. To enhance accessibility, consider adding captions and alternative text descriptions for each image. Captions can provide context or additional information about the images you're displaying, and the alternative text is particularly useful for individuals using screen readers. This ensures that all participants, regardless of device or ability, can fully engage with your survey. Once your images are added, you can further customize the experience using the Options or Logic tabs. Here, you have the flexibility to allow multiple selections if that fits your purpose, randomize the order in which images are displayed to eliminate bias, or make answering the question mandatory, ensuring that you gather all the information you need from each respondent. When you're satisfied with these settings, simply click Save. Surveymonkey will automatically format your images into tidy frames. As a tip, remember that the images will be adjusted to a maximum height of 170 pixels or a width of 225 pixels. This means you should aim to choose or design images that look good at those dimensions. By following these steps, you will have successfully incorporated visually compelling image choice questions into your survey. This not only makes your survey more interactive, but also leverages visuals for a more engaging data collection experience. With these enhancements, your survey will be well equipped to capture the insights you need while keeping respondents interested and involved.